Hello guys, I greet you all. Today I came with your remedy for big tummy. For those of you who always complain of big tummy, what can I do to have flat tummy? Guys, the only remedy to flat tummy, the only remedy to big tummy is what you eat. Just control the things you eat when you're going to sleep. Just control the kind of food you eat at night. Trust me, you will say goodbye to big tummy. Eating vegetables every day, guys, helps you to lose belly fat. Eating healthy food, say no to junk food, most especially at night. And trust me, you say bye-bye, goodbye to big tummy. Before I used to have big tummy, but now guys I have very flat tummy. Like, for those who know me can confirm that I have very flat tummy now because of the kind of things I eat these days. I eat more of vegetables, which helps me to burn some of the belly fat that I used to have. So you can do same and say bye to big tummy and stop drinking concoctions that will cause harm in your stomach, guys. Stop drinking concoctions. When you drink all those concoctions and then at the end of the day you still have to eat heavy food when you're going to bed, it still does not stop you from having big tummy. So the only remedy to big tummy is just the kind of food you eat. Make vegetables your friend and say goodbye to big tummy. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.